aba bashoborere ku emyeto negubizamo kuteganisibwa ebizibu nka okukoresa ebitokosa bwongo ibura ry'emirimo kandi bakushaba bararabemu okubayamba aha nshonga nkezi
bakabera mu kisomo benda mu bikatamira ya Mairungi Ghetto Boys and Street Bay and Street Kids derefa hanunga bwira abamalaba mu bicelangerera ko ari kumakuma ababera emwa. There is the vocation industrial hubs SNRM yabretekaho betu kunditwinga abantu aba hard to reach areas ngeka situ longa hard to reach sub counties omwana self information yela bomba youth
kutuserere emirimo mu government no korora anti naito aba youth batu deploying korora anti toba mu RDC kakuba muzee naenda kutugabira nge pikipiki naito atute mu bantu abasobora kuba ne pikipiki ba sub county chairman kandi muzee ni saba bamuha karuru awe birungi byatukoliri tunga aba youth ba NRM.
Mbambu Bebra or chairperson wa Youth League mugomborore y'amabere arukugamba Ontario West ashabire government n'abebembezi abarabiremu okucendeza ariza condoms ezi government erukushoza konkeke bembeza nshonge ya pads ahabukuba ekikeresireho abana bo bwishiki okuruga omu mashomero
okumasukuru sibali ba providingira esya pads ukwarangira government ikahukesya condoms iyasabera abantu for protection but I don't know because they don't consider them about pads, sanitary pads. So when on parliament bende bafukuratira ku masukuru kuwetu bateke kwesya pads esyabusa ne kwabana bafikira kora cyaro som
ondijo omuba delegate Kapere Bernadette Musime ashabira abasingire okukorera emyeto kandi babe orutindo hagati ya government utireho n'emyeto nukwe kiyambe emyeto nayo kugoborora omuntekateka za government
ebenda mu byabo batweberero itshuye bakoma either if I warn the leaders who are elected today esekera kusoma baberaho bakole belakitwa bakoma. Those who are going to win and those who are going to lose, that is politics. There is lose and win. But those who have win, I warn you and I inform you, go and work for us.
Mbambu Bebra ashoberere ku akaruru k'emyeto akareta ba delegates kutandika kacerirwe abo kucereza sente zabo
hawe ribe tunalindiye sente yetu esi facilitation ANRM esi M7 president wetu afra musikakera wamu kama tunasirindiri betu musikasa netukasima His Excellency M7 Yoweri Kaguta erebya inyabikuseko kwa chikuba itunga barusi
nobwakaruraka kacerirwa kuterwa muhezi wa RDC wa district ya Budubujo Albert Musinguzi asimira abatezi bakaruru nababyo kwerinda abo kutekaho obusinge
nitwara bukusagu kusima district security committee yakwememba official ya RDC abo kororangu omulimo kosero kubira burungi abo staff done good work, police has done good work. We have not had any commotion. Tabiro kora, tabiro kiro, tabiro kugire cyabo cyone.
Makuraga gashakwa Justin Nyagisiki muri Budubujo.